So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I just realized you're staring at an empty tile, and that's an 8 by 10 inch canvas, and I have glasses right there, and I'm going to put them on. I've just been so relieved that the bunny lived. You'll figure out what I'm talking about in another video. So I have paint, and I have a canvas. And I'm inclined to do whatever comes naturally to me and make sure that that thing that I thought I saw in there is not in there. And I will shake up my paint more so. So this is cool paint. My leftover is good. Paint will enliven other paint. And I'm just going to pick the 2 colors that I like, maybe 3, maybe 5. The 2 colors that I like right offhand. Oh, if I can get it to come out. Maybe I'll just pour some of that right in there. That is a color shift folk art. So is the purple, the turquoise is. And so is the purple. And anything else I need, maybe just a little bit of that purple. In any case, let's just do it to it. Let's just pour a random mass of accidentally beautiful colors. Or not. Right down, and use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and throw that in the bucket. And I think, because that's looking pretty muddy, I'm going to throw a little bit of gold, or you know what? I like this. This is my gold with a little orange in it. And this is my folk art. Do I want that? No, I'm going to use... I think I'm going to use some of the blue that I was using earlier. Not a lot, just a little, just to see what's going to happen. I'm going to take my excess bottles out of my way, grab an edge catcher. It's got schmutz on it already. Let's see what happens. You know what I really want to do? I want to do something weird. I want to do what I've been doing. I'm going to take a basting brush. Just drag some patterns through there right at the beginning to see what that does, what happens to it. It's just the same as a wrecked anything. Kind of makes me want some red in there. Kind of makes me want a cleaner edge catcher than the one I've got, but I've got this one and that'll work. See how close I can get to the edge without actually losing any paint. I see something in there and I have tweezers. I think I made it go away though. Let's just stop that paint from escaping. Let it roll over the edge. I'm not going to try and put it back on the canvas, although I could. Anything that goes on that edge catcher is fair game, and I can take it away, take it off again. And I probably will. I like that dark. I don't know if it's black or Prussian blue, but that dark streak is pretty cool. I see no gold in there at all, which begs me to add some. I love that edge. Not sure what I'm going to do with this. Put that down right now. Use some Anita's. If it'll decide to come out. White metallic. See if I can get my last remaining spatula. No, I'll just use a different one. It was my favorite, but my number 1. So if you're looking for some of these Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, the Amazon link underneath the video has a whole list of the stuff that I like and have used and purchased, and even stuff that I would like to have purchased and haven't had the money to do so, or the time to experiment with yet. So that is a lot of Anita's white metallic. And I'm inclined to just take what's dripped over the edge, rub it right down the side. I don't usually use the white pearl as a substitute for white, but in this case I don't mind. And I kind of expect some cells, but I'm not seeing them yet. Whatever is on my edge catcher will just become part of a craft project when I cut them all up and do something interesting with them. In the meantime, I have cottage cheese lids. I'm almost out of daylight too, darn. Do I want to do something with this? I've got more stripes. I'm going to grab one of my fresh and clean OXO omelet turning spatulas and take that paint Yes, I did. I just did that. What else? What else am I going to do? I'm going to take some Prussian blue, put all this paint right next to it because I can, and I don't like wasting paint, and I got a lot of leftover paint today, it looks like, which won't really be wasted because I'm making skins. I like that yellow, but I don't like it as much as the orange. And now I have to decide what I'm going to do with this other side. And like I said, my gold all disappeared. I'm not sure what to do about that. I'm going to try and let some of this paint down over the edge. I'm just going to use it to cover my edge. It's a sort of it is what it is moment, and it might be stage one of something else. That's what it seems like. Or I could do what I was thinking about doing and put some gold in there. And continue the basting brush experiments. Which I'm not working right now. There we go, that's better. Alright, I'm not sure I'm in love with that yet, and I bet I have a little bit of time left, so let me either grab the Prussian blue blow that around first. I see. There's all kinds of room for improvement. I like that up there, and it went away. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, just playing with my leftovers at the end of the day. And I'm not entirely sure I'm satisfied yet, and that's why I'm going to keep playing. And hope for the best. Let's see what we can do. Nothing I'm super thrilled with so far. I think all of that paint is going to wind up becoming a donation to some skin in the future. Sometimes, if I don't stick my straw in paint like I just did, I'm tempted to blow things away. I'm actually liking this. It's happening again. I did put these extra long straws onto my Amazon link. There are too many filaments of paint on that for me to play too fast and loose with it. But I do like what I've got, as opposed to what I was feeling like, which was nothing exciting. Put those little drips right on there. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, under Show More. Yeah, I know, I'm pretty quiet. I think if I blew around inside this area, I'd find some black. Maybe not. I don't know what I'd find. Nothing I want that right now. And where's that basting brush? If you use the side of the basting brush, you can get a fatter line. The basting brushes are always modified. I don't think I'm going to count this as my favorite anything yet. But there have been moments when I've pulled things out at the very last second. This is not feeling like that at all. And I don't know what to do with it. I know what to do with it. I am going to go ahead and swipe it out, just in case. That's pretty different. I don't know what that is. Nothing expected, that's for sure. Honestly, I will be an absolute miracle worker if I do anything that makes me happy right now with this. But I hate it less than I did a minute ago. So that's cool. Let's just torch it and call it good for today. Maybe it'll be the background for something tomorrow. I'll get rid of that last. So, I haven't told you anything, and I don't feel worthy. Let's spiral them out. Let's make little patterns with the flat, blunt end of the skewer. Honestly, I've got an idea, and you got like no time left. There we go. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Her last painting tipping of the day that is going to be way cooler than I anticipated after suffering through the rest of making this. And I have no idea what it's going to be like, and I don't even know if you're still going to be here when I finish. But if that white's not coming out, I guess I won't put it down there. Alright, so, like I said, millions of times before, I love you guys. Thank you for all the contributions that have kept me painting, and if you want to help the studio keep rolling by any chance, you will find in the last 20 seconds of this video on the end screens that I have placed an exhibition video that shares with you what the monthly prizes are. All kinds of little cells popping up. Cool. That's kind of fun. There might be like one more layer that could go on this tomorrow. It's very different than what I've seen of my other stuff, I think anyway. I'll be fixing the edges for a minute because they're kind of naked, but I got plenty of paint over there. So if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And PayPal or Patreon are the places to find the place to donate. If you want to donate $10, you'll be included automatically in the monthly drawing, which will happen in the 3rd week of April. And I don't mind that that is a different color at all. It's what I've got, and it's what's going on there right now. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask me. I answer them when I can get around to them, which is pretty often. If you are interested in my playlists, I have created playlists with 1,310 videos, and they're organized by genre and by the 100, and there are 13 lists, 12 lists of 100, one being populated, and the rest are genres like scapes or orbs or abstracts, or there might be a basting brush one soon, who knows. I have chain pulls, and I think there's a balloon one in there, but I need to actually do some more balloon rolls before it's viable. So I'm not hating this anymore, and all I want is some like pink right there. And I'm good to go. And so are you guys. I don't know what that is, but it's got to go now. I think I need one more dot. I need odd numbers. That's just a rule. There we go. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, stay safe, paint up a storm. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. You're still here. Wow. Okay. Please be safe. I love you guys. I think I just said that. Bye for now. I love you.